Do you wake up and look at your hard-working day ahead and think, when am I going to get time to clean? Never fear, Mmmarvellous can take care of your home. Call us today to arrange a visit with our representative, who'll discuss with you all your needs and suggest a complete cleaning schedule. It could be a weekly or fortnightly housekeeper, and then windows every 2 months, carpets, gutter and mattress cleaning every year at your preferred intervals. Once you've decided the priorities and a cleaning schedule agreed, you no longer need to worry. All our housekeepers are personally vetted, insured and trained, and continue to receive spot checks from our representative. Imagine coming home knowing that your home has been marvellously cleaned for you to enjoy. All your home services provided by one trusted company. Mmmarvellous, keeping your home clean. Here's how to get in touch.